Hey guys, I'm Charlie with the Wargame Wrist. For our conquest of Karnak, I'm going to be running Astra Militarum, running as the local PDF, so it's the Planetary Defence Force. So I'll be using the local guard regiment of the planet. I'm going to be running them in the new detachment, the Recon Element, which means that everyone has cover. Well, all infantry and walkers have cover. And if those guys already have cover by any other means, they gain +1 to their armor save to a maximum of 3. So with orders, you can get a lot of free up guardsmen, which are really powerful. My army with 1,000 points to start off with will be run by a Warlord Command tank, a Catachan Command Squad, which I'll usually be running inside a Chimera. That way they can give out orders and scout, get the Chimera moving up first and try to steal objectives. 2 units of Scout Sentinels will also give me some early board control and reroll 1s to hit against certain units. I've then got 2 10-man unit of Krieg. Good special weapons, they can bring guys back. At some point I may bump this up to like a big 20-man unit or throw in a Krieg command squad to again give them a feel no pain. And then other than that, I've got a Lehman Russ Eradicator with its new rule to give -1 damage if it's in cover. And last of all, I've got a Catachan squad as well. Just really cheap screening, gets up the board quick and just blocks melee threats to the tanks really. So going forth with the army, if say I start losing my tanks, maybe a lot and they get lots of battle scars, I may move towards a different detachment, and vice versa. If I lose lots of infantry, I might change my army to sort of show that actually it's just the armor that's surviving, and maybe change detachment rule, following the Hammer of the Emperor detachment. Potentially, depending how the story goes, there is a way, or we're planning a way for me to maybe move into Gene Stealer cults, of issues on the planet, the cults sort of rising up as more troops go out and die in this fight against the Necrons. They're being replaced by more Gene Stealer cult neophytes, and eventually it's just going to flip the board and maybe even swap armies completely, which again could pull in a greater threat of another Xenos threat to the planet. But we've got to see how it goes and how everyone sort of evolves and how everything sort of works out in the end.